Today, we're looking at the man behind a famous triangle, and he thought it explained, well, everything.
Yup, you know this one. It's the Pythagorean theorem, a cornerstone of every geometry class.
But for Pythagoras, this was way more than just triangles. It was a clue to a much deeper reality.
Born around 570 BCE, he founded a school that was kind of a science lab, kind of a spiritual commune. This was his big revolutionary idea. Not that numbers describe things, but that they literally are things.
See, he noticed that simple math ratios created beautiful musical chords, a concept he called harmony. And Pythagoras was convinced this harmony wasn't just for our ears, it was literally everywhere.
He saw this perfect order in the vibrations of a musical instrument,
And in the silent, perfect motion of the planets, creating his famous music of the spheres.
And believe it or not, even in our own lives. To him, ethics was all about inner harmony. His school, the Pythagorean Brotherhood, blended philosophy, science, and mysticism all into one discipline. They lived by some strict and, kind of strange rules. It was all about aligning the soul with the cosmos.
The number 10 was sacred to them. Represented by a triangle called the tetractys, it symbolized perfection.
This totally radical idea that the universe is fundamentally mathematical didn't just end with Pythagoras.
Seriously, he laid the groundwork for everything from music theory and astronomy to philosophy.
In fact, one of the most important philosophers ever, Plato, was deeply influenced by Pythagorean math.
He really taught us to look for the hidden patterns, to find the mathematical beauty underneath everything.
So the big question is, what hidden harmonies are we still uncovering in our own universe?